A lot of active weather coming our way, and if you're making your trip up to the Sierra here in the days ahead, the short term is dry, at least over the next number of hours. Once you get through later tonight, we'll start to see the snow picking up across the higher elevation. Snow levels actually starting off fairly high, about 7,000 feet, but they'll be quickly lowering by tomorrow mid-morning to about 5,500 feet, and then even further down to 4,500 feet once we get into Christmas Day itself. So a lot of modes of active weather in place over the next few days. We'll start off with this, the high wind warning that continues now for the Sacramento and San Joaquin Valley. This is for a southeast wind that will develop with the chance of strong, perhaps damaging wind gusts later tonight, and then a second round of high winds tomorrow night. Flood watches continue for much of the region through Friday. And as you get into the Sierra, of course, the big story has been the winter aspect, the winter storm warnings that are now in effect. So we are dry for now. The rainfall still well off to the coastline. You see some showers moving along the coast right now. There's your storm system, and we're going to be seeing several back-to-back atmospheric rivers coming into the state over the next few days. And notice here along this front, you have these squall lines developing. As these begin to pivot on shore, that's going to be where we start to see some heavy precipitation and also some strong winds coming down to the surface. Before that makes its way in, the southeast wind across the valley will pick up, and that likely becomes strong overnight with gusting 45 to 55 miles per hour as the rain begins to develop and move in as well, with some pockets seeing higher gusts, perhaps up to 60 miles per hour. That said, as we get into the morning hours tomorrow, the batch of steadier precipitation begins to move east. We get into a bit of a lull midday, a lot of quiet time mid-afternoon tomorrow, breaks in the cloud cover, so some of you will even see sunshine tomorrow. We'll have to watch for some thunderstorms developing during that time as well. Some of those could be strong to severe. But I'm most concerned about strong or even severe thunderstorms with a chance of a tornado coming in with this line coming in later tomorrow evening into the overnight. We'll see that begin to pivot onshore, and then another batch of some strong storms. Even our high-resolution computer models showing some of that rotation with some of these storms as well into the overnight. And, you know, California is no stranger to tornadoes with these, especially this time of the year, but they tend to be brief. They tend to be weak, typically EF0, but the chance is not zero. So we'll be tracking that for you, along with very heavy snow on Thursday. Getting up over the Sierra is going to be very difficult with the heavier snow and some strong winds leading to whiteout conditions as well. 7 to 14 inches of snow, Blue Canyon. Donner Pass, 4 to 7 feet of snow, 5 to 8 feet in Kirkwood, 15 to 30 inches of snowfall from Truckee down to South Lake Tahoe. Even Bear Valley coming in about 4 to 8 feet of snow by the time this system is all said and done. So the main impacts in the short term will be the risk of some strong winds overnight, tonight, and again tomorrow night with downed trees, power outages. We'll be tracking that for you. Behind all of this, Dom, it gets quiet but cold. Temperatures in the 40s Sunday and Monday.